Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 sentences about the peas. Number 1. Peas are vegetables. Number 2. They are green in color. Number 3. They are often used in cooking. Number 4. Peas are a good source of protein. Number 5. Peas are also a good source of fiber. Number 6. Peas are low in calories. Number 7. They have a slightly sweet taste. Number 8. Peas can be eaten fresh or frozen. Number 9. Peas are commonly found in soups. Number 10. Peas are good for health. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.